Okay, let me share the computer. Okay, let me share my screen. Enter screen. That's it. Okay, what we will talk about today? Um, I'm not sure if everybody knows, but we are implementing a change stream support for Meteor database, Meteor database, or Meteor Mongo database. And well, we are in the test stages. Here, um, here in this live, we will explore a few open source Meteor apps. We will know them, how they are structured, and we will run those apps using the change stream system. And so let's go. Okay, let's explore Sophie TV automation. Here, I created a topic in the Meteor forum where the people shared a few projects. One of this project is the Sophie TV. That is an open source project that use Meteor.js. So Sophie TV automation documentation. Sophie is a web-based open source TV automation system for studios and live shows used in the live daily TV news production. Ah, nice. Where this region is? Okay. Narrowing posters. Okay, they have a Slack community. Let's continue with Google. Okay. Let's enter in the Slack. Open Slack. Okay, nice. Well, they have a user guide for developer. What we have as user guide? So you have interface. Probably the setup for this application is pretty complicated. They have a cycling. Modular device control, blah, blah, blah. Features of a view, access level. Okay. And for developers, what they have? They have the libraries, contribution, guideline, blueprint developers, API documentation. In terms of libraries, they have a gateway and services. Spreadsheet. Okay. The quality of my sharing is super poor. Let me fix it. Video output is in high definition. But my screen sharing is a shit. Okay. Mm, well, never mind. Okay, nice. It's interesting one. Um, let's see the GitHub, just to know if it's easy to set up. This is the core of the application. Okay. The core is a Meteor Node.js based web server. Okay. They have a general sufficient like documentation, releases, contribution guideline. Inside contribution guideline, usually we have the setup instructions. So here we have the main, so main the main brain, consider it. We have our contributions, okay. Yeah, but how can I set up this project? We haven't it here. So for documentation for developers or blueprints developers. Okay, blueprints are programs that run inside Sophie Core interpret the data coming from rundown and transform that in playable element. Is yet being written. Okay, it was well. Basically, this project haven't a documentation. A/B playback, defining piece of sessions. Yeah, but I'd like to know how can I set up this application just for the first view. Let me see. Uh, Usually, oh, we have a developers MD for developers documentation. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. Documentation. The documentation can be found. Software blah 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 for developers. Mono app layout. Getting started with local development. This one is what I was looking for. Well, it's required Node 22, the Meteor, of course, Core Pack as enabled administrator. Core Pack enable. If Core Pack was not found, you may need to install it. Okay. Basically, I do a clone and a yarn start. Good. Does it. Editing the code when using this EDA. We provide a settings JSON. I love projects that have it. Okay, they have an inspect meter option. Translate is Sophie, okay. That's okay. Well, theoretically, it's just clone and run, basically. Good. It's good to know. It's good to know. So Sophie Core is the core of the Sophie TV application. I'm not sure if you have more applications around the core. So they have a timeline state resolver. They have a package manager, input gateway. Okay. Um, okay. Sophie TV automation repository. What is it? It looks like be the holy software, but but I guess the core is still the software that we are looking for, that we are looking to set up locally and use it. Okay, nice to know. Let's explore the next one. So what I will do here is explore the applications, know them, so I can, well, decide what I will test first. Okay, well, it's not strictly open source, but the source is available. Okay. Here we have the Tumik. What is Tumik? Modern team management software easy work. Give managers insight what the team are doing and what the team member better way to separate personal time for work, blah, blah, blah. Okay, good. It's not a free app. Well, for 10 users, it's free. Okay. And they have a live demo. Started the demo. Creating demo account, please wait. I'm logged in the okay. I have my user and my password called demo. I have my tracking time. Basically, I have an agenda in outboard. So, oh, meeting, launch. Is it real time? For example, if I come here and edit those values, for example, Amanda is in, everybody is in the meeting, for example. Okay, it's real time. Good to know, good to know. Um, great. Hmm, user monitor teams. I can see the teams. I can see my account settings, clients and projects. I can see task groups like, okay, it's like Kanban projects. It's a mix of agenda with Kanban, with my recent tasks. Okay.